Alright y'all, welcome back. You see behind me what we're gonna tackle today. The Defender and the Outlander just came back from BUSCO, and boy, when I tell you, them things are looking rough. You saw me pulling the Outlander in here. I had the little Polaris out here, so I said, hey, why not push it? Let's just try to pull it in. Yeah, she's only firing like one cylinder right now. She's pretty messed up, a lot of parts missing from her. Brendan's gonna have fun tackling that. But the least I can do is get it clean, so when he's taking shit apart, it's not falling in his face. You know how that is when you're working on trucks and stuff. It's a pain in the butt. We have the 3 pit wheelers. We have the Defender. The Defender really isn't that bad. We've used it actually a couple days after BUSCO down there at the Deer Club. So I want to open the doors, just kind of clean that whole entire thing out. Even though everything's really muddy, it's kind of fun when it is, because it's more satisfying when you get to wash it off and clean it. So let's go ahead and pull the power washer over here and let's get to work. Alright, the Defender's done. She's looking real good, and now I just want to jump over here and show you guys the old Outlander. Oh boy, this thing is rough. It's missing all of its plastic, the whole seat. I mean, dude, this is pretty darn bad. Every little crevice is gonna have to get washed in this thing, because there's mud it's everywhere. Let's see what we can do to make this thing look a little better. Well, it ain't perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. This thing was freaking rough. At least it looks like an Outlander again, and Braden won't have an issue working on it, hopefully with all the mud falling on his face. On to the next. Boys just came back from making a video, so they brought me 3 more pit bikes. I'm out here washing, might as well knock them out. Let's go ahead and do them. Another drill, everything is washed now. I'm gonna roll everything into the driveway just because it's all soaking wet back here. So if I just put it right into the shop, it's just gonna get dirty again. So I like to pull them back out, get them on some nice concrete, hit them with one more wash. It's our bike or what, but this little kickstand right here is a little short, pal. So if you lean it down, oh God. Yeah, she's like that. So we're gonna have to rest that one up against something, but let's go and get them all to the driveway. More wash, SC1, and then let's put them up. Second wash is done. I actually left that one it's not working, but I left the fender back there too. It takes forever to dry off. I want to leave all the doors open, and I don't know why I washed it, because honestly we're using it again tomorrow down there at Deer Club to finish putting out like 60 bags of corn. So it was worth just still washing because it was in pretty rough shape. But yeah, I'm gonna leave that one back here, let her dry out, leave the doors open. We'll be using her tomorrow. I'm gonna get the blower, just go ahead and just hit all these, try to dry them off really quick, and then we'll pull them in and we'll talk about some SC1. Damn, I would have grabbed some, but we're out of SC1. If you guys don't know what that is, I always try to explain it for the new people who are watching. SC1 is like the ceramic coating for plastics. Pretty much the best stuff you can use for any off-road toy you have. After I pull them in, I normally hit them all with it, and it gives them a nice shine, and just like I said, keeps all the mud off, but we're out, so we can't do it. If you want to know what I'm talking about, go back on any other wash videos, and you can see I always use it. I show what it is, so you guys can go pick some up. Well, now everything's washed. Let's go ahead and backtrack a little bit, clean up our mess. Where's the mullet? There she is. Everything's situated, clean up the yard a little bit, and we'll wrap up this video. Everything's taken care of outside. Just want to come in here really quick and talk to you guys. I'm actually leaving this Friday. I'm so jacked to get home so we can start working on this K-Town project. I'm like going as quickly as I can. There's been a couple mess ups. I really didn't realize, like I said, how bad the floor was, so had to get, well, I ordered the driver's side, they wound up on the left side, tried to order the driver's side again, and wound up ordering two of the left. I'm terrible with ordering stuff, so we're kind of set back on that, and seeing how bad the floor pans were, I think the inner rockers they're pretty bad as well, so I ordered that too. That's what it's about, guys. You got to get it. I'm like 6 months ahead on this project, but I'm only a month in because you got to make sure it's lined up. I have a suit, if it works out, man, I'm gonna be so jacked. Something really sick for the interior and for the paint. I mean, I got everything, like I said, already kind of planned out ahead so we can stay on track. What you gotta do for these projects to make them come out really good and for the time I have to work on it. Keep on getting comments too, guys, on like old videos of my Tahoe, the Cat Eye, and like asking all these questions about the headlights and stuff. In every video, guys, I try to explain what the products are, where I got that from, who I work with. So if you want to know that information, just go back on the videos. They'll be labeled installing new headlights or tail lights or whatever. All the information's there. I just, so many comments are coming in sometimes. I don't want to make it something I'm not replying to you guys. So yeah, all of it's there. Just go check it out. But like I said, that's a wrap for this video. You guys always seem to enjoy the wash content, and after the BUSCO trips, they're pretty bad, but we got that all taken care of. I love making sure that everything's neat and organized, so when we want to go use it, we can have it. So like I said, more K10 content is coming out, so you guys need to be prepared for that. Leave in the comments down below what you enjoyed the most. Like I said, I try to read everything to make sure that all my fans are happy with what I'm posting, but we have a lot going on right now with a ton of projects, so I'm working as fast as I can. Friday, we'll be back on that. I really appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Linton Bass TV.